Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim dogs' nails. I'm going to be showing you on clear nails and on black nails. So here we go. This is your nail. This is, you see the white part of the nail on the top and then the pink part on the bottom. The pink part is actually the quick where you can make them bleed. And the white part is usually where you can trim. But you can't always trim right there at the pink because you can make them bleed. So you don't trim that far right away because as time goes, even if you have not trimmed your dog's nails often, let's say 6 months, then the quick can be longer than what it looks like on the side. So we go ahead and just take off a little bit at a time. You see that tiny little bit? It was maybe like a millimeter trim at a time. And if I see white powder in the middle of that nail, just the white powder, that means I can go just another little millimeter more. And I'll keep going like that all the way till I see what I need to see. So take another little piece off till I get what I got. Okay, and right here, I see a pink little dot in the middle, and that tells me to stop right there. Um, on clear nails or white nails, however you want to call it, it's clear nails. You see that little dot in the middle. I can see on that white one right there underneath my finger. You can see it a little better, but on black nails, it's different. On black nails, you're going to trim a little bit at a time, little millimeter at a time, just like you did the other nails. But a lot of people are intimidated with black nails, but it's actually more simpler on black nails for me. So you keep trimming, you're going to see the white powder just like you did on the clear nail. You see the white powder until you get down to this little black dot. You see that little black dot right there in the center? That right there tells you to stop. That's already far enough. Since I'm gonna file it, I want to stop right there. And you see that edge in the back? Right there. I'm gonna use that edge of the nail filer and file it right there. That's one swoop. Second swoop is that edge, round it. And then third swoop is that other edge. I'll be making another video on a more clearer look because this one wasn't too clear, guys. But you did get the gist. I will be making another one very, very soon. Thank you. Bye.